Okay,
It won't work locally. It anyway do it on the theme, the cloud thing. So
okay, right. So we started.
yeah, so these are the slides for today's session. So quickly, just this I think we discussed last time, but even then, you have to look at the Ubuntu version you installed and then choose the ROS version you're going to install. So it will be either ROS Kinetic or Melodic. I think Ayush and NG, you'll be using Melodic, right? Because you did 18.04 Ubuntu installation.
No, I did
Yes.
16.04. The
Okay,
18.04 wasn't working.
okay. So anyway, just remember whichever version you got, right, the correct one you have to install. So now these links, I think this is what you must have been using for doing the installation, right?
Yeah.
The wiki pages, I can just open it one, right? This one.
Yes.
Yeah. So in this, the thing is, for each step, there are multiple commands that are given, multiple options. So what I did is on the slide over here, okay, never mind, this is okay. So here, I like removed the extra options, and then this is only what like we have to do. Okay, so first, can you go to your software and update, and then check that all of the options are ticked and the server is selected to be the main server, because sometimes if so first would be to check that internet is working properly on the system. So I think you're on the team tab, so it should be working. After that, check that all of these options are ticked, especially the last one. Your server should be the main server, it should not be the local one. If it's like your country or your region server, sometimes the packages are not the same, like they're not synced with the main server, the ROS packages especially, because because it won't be updated that regularly compared to like some of the other regular Ubuntu updates. So main server, that also could be the problem that you were showing, right? Where the packages were not located, could be because of this also. So just make sure to do this. So if everyone is done with this step, then we can move on to the next one.
I'm done.
Yeah, okay. I think you were not there in the last session. Do you have Ubuntu installed?
Already done installation.
Okay. So you're done with all of the installations, ROS and TurtleBot packages, everything.
Yeah.
Okay then. So you can just help out if other people, whatever issues they're facing, or you can even leave the session. It's up to you if you're done with all installations. The development part, we'll be starting it from next session. Next session will be MATLAB, and after that we'll do the development. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so this is a set of commands. I'm not sure if NG you had run the first and the second one.
What's that?
The first and the second these commands, did you run those?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, so can you run them right now? What you can do is if you go to the online tutorials website, right?
Yeah.
And then go down to the third today's session, number 3, installation ROS. The slides will be there. So from there you can open it as advanced and then open with editor. So then if you open it like that, then I'll just show it. Then you can copy paste. Otherwise, no, if you just full screen this one, then the copy paste won't work for the command. 1 second, why is it not showing up here? Oh, okay. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. So maybe that's okay. Fine. Should I just paste it to the team chat for now? I think maybe that would be fine, right?
Yeah, and I have a question also.
Yep.
Yeah, so on the online tutorial website, we had to do everything which was in the first video, right?
Just 1 second. I'm trying to put this as a list right now. Yeah, you have to do everything that was in the first video. So the same thing I'll just go through on the slides right now. So were you able to do everything?
Yeah, so I did the one with the ROS and ROS Kinetic and one more. I don't remember. ROS Kinetic and TurtleBot installation, but there was another video just beside it saying ROS installation. Is that a different one?
So that is like a recording of the last.
Oh, so we only had to do all the codes in the video you uploaded, right?
So if the video entirely you're able to do now, that means it's
Yeah,
complete. Yeah, but still just stick around and see the steps, no, in case any of, because maybe the installation and the setup of the Caching Workspace, I'm not sure if it's there in the video. So
okay.
yeah. So basically, you have to do all of these. There's a video also. This should get the ROS setup done, right? After this, you should be able to open up a terminal like this, and then you should be put it here, right? And then you should be able to run ROS code, and this is what you have
Yeah,
to.
I did this. I showed it to you, I think.
Yeah. So this is working for you. That means this slide, right? The ROS installation part is done. Now the only thing is TurtleBot packages and the other two also will just confirm. So I'll just maybe show that in the meanwhile while NG is checking the command. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll try to do this like unfull screen this and put it in off. Yeah. So I think this will be fine. Good. So this is okay. That was ROS code, right? Caching Workspace. So when you go to home, can you just follow along this one out?
Yeah, 1 second. Like when I run the raw score command, I don't get the done part which you got in your terminal. I only got it till started core service ROSOUT in brackets.
So this one, right? Which there's
Yeah,
no
till
done.
here.
So now you do
Oh,
Control and C to like kill the process, right? Control C.
okay.
Then you'll get the done one. That is when it's like shutting down the program.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, your voice is it just vanishes in the middle. Like I wasn't able to hear you a second ago. I can't hear you now either.
Yeah, can you hear me now? Hello.
Yeah, yes, now I can hear you.
So I was saying that are you following the steps right now?
Yeah, I got it to the control C part.
Yeah. So the control C that to kill the program or to like close it. So that's when you'll find the thing. I'm saying here, do you have a folder called Caching Workspace?
I'll have to check. How do I open this file?
So
This tab.
you in the terminal now, one thing is you can type clear to get rid of the commands which were run before, the output.
Okay.
CLEAR
No,
clear.
okay. CLEAR clear. Yeah, done.
I think the screen is frozen again.
Yes, it's showing that you have typed clear after everything.
Yeah, so just if you enter that, I think it's back now.
Yeah, now I can see. Now I think it's your screen's there.
Yeah. So on the left, no, this icon you can see this one called files. The second one on the left.
Yeah. Over
When you click
here, I have desktop, music, templates, videos, pictures, documents, downloads, public, and examples.
home from the menu on the left, no? In the window also you can see home. And then you should be
Yes.
able to see a folder called Caching Workspace. Do you have that?
Which one?
Caching _ WS, the first one.
No, I don't. I don't think I have that.
Okay, so but you said you did the TurtleBot thing from the video, the TurtleBot installation.
Yes, I did that. But I think like the last command in the video, it showed some error like third party installation or something. Maybe that
Okay,
went
so
wrong.
that yeah. So
Like in the last bit of the code, like the last code which you told us to do in the video, that part.
okay, okay. So we'll go through that again anyway. I think it's there on the slide, so we'll do that again. One more thing is instead of looking, so this was through the window, right? Through the like how you would do it on a Windows or a Mac machine. You can also find files from the terminal. So over here, you'll just type cd. I think it's still lagging, but you type cd, enter, and then another command would be ls, enter. And then
CD and okay. So
hello.
yeah, maybe your voice is breaking in the middle.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm saying cd, enter, like it's showing on the screen right now.
Yeah, I can see that now. I did that and it didn't show me that Catkin WS.
Yeah. So we'll do the commands for that. NG, have you completed the ROS installation?
Yes.
So you're able to get ROS core and then get the output, right?
I guess, but I can't install the TurtleBot.
Okay, so we'll do that now. The next step will be that only. But I just wanted to know that all of us are able to do the ROS core part, right?
Yeah.
ROS core and getting the output. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll do the Caching Workspace, which is basically like a folder in which we'll have all of our development. So okay, still lagging. Once you go into Caching Workspace, right, you will get these three folders, of which source is where we'll keep our main source code, and then we basically compile it, and then it will be the same code will be there in the build folder.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you go into source, you'll find these two will end up installing. Pocket Springs will install when we're doing speech, and the RT home edu learn ROS. This folder we'll install right now. It has all of the sample code for different parts. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now what we'll do is here we'll run this one. So the same terminal or a new terminal, but you have to run these commands again. This also I'll just copy and put it in the chat one. Or these are actually small commands. You should be able to. Yeah, so just 1 second. I'll send these also here. Only thing is the formatting is a little bit off. Yeah. So you can copy paste the command from there, or you can type them in also. Just make sure there are no typos when you're typing them in. So in the first set of commands, right, under the first point, when you reach command C, which is catskin underscore make. So in fact, I can follow along the first one because I already have the folder. That's not required. But from then, the same thing can be done again. Catskin make, enter. So this is what like, yeah.
I have a question. Like, if I copy anything over here, I'm not able to paste it on
So
the
you have to control
Ubuntu.
C for copy and then control shift V for pasting it.
Okay, Control C and Control Shift for pasting it.
Control shift V. If you just do control V, no, it will come as a something over here. Like it won't actually, yeah, it won't paste the command.
Okay.
Same for copying from a terminal. If you have like something that you have to copy, you control C. We use it for closing a program, right? So it won't work. You have to do copy from
Yeah.
here or do control shift C for copying.
No, I mean like when I'm copying it like on my Mac and I go to the Ubuntu software, it's not able to paste anything over there. Like
Oh,
what I
that.
copy on the Mac.
Understood. So yeah, that also might be a problem. If you're using VirtualBox, there is some way to solve it. I'm not quite sure what it exactly was, but yeah, it was a problem that was faced in previous batches also of online tutorials.
So I'll just type the command.
Yeah, just type them in. You can use tab if you want to make it faster to type in the command. Like over here, if I do PATK, right, and then I press tab on the keyboard, it will autocomplete this much, and then double tab will give a list of if there are like multiple completions for the same command.
Okay.
Now we need to make. So even if you just type catskin underscore M and then tab, it will autocomplete it.
Okay.
So this is the output you need from the first one. basically in the end, it should give you this blue color, make dashboard dash L, and then this one. Instead of this, if it is red and then there's something like error before it over here, then it's not completed properly.
Can you give me the link for the website? I'm not able to type some of the signs.
Okay, which one? The curly, that one?
Yeah, when I press that button, it shows some other sign. I think it's because of the keyboard and all.
On a Mac, you do shift and then press that button, it will come.
Yeah, it's not coming. It shows a different type of sign.
No, when you type it should come. No?
No, it's not coming over here. It shows something else only.
I don't know why it didn't update on the website. I'll try to see what. So try to type it for now and just I'll update the thing on the website also so it will show.
Okay. No, I'm saying if you could give me the link for the page where all the codes are there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's from the Google slide. So it is supposed to be there on the website. I'm not sure why it did not come up.
No, I meant like the wiki page.
The wiki, this should be there. I think this is actually compiled from multiple wiki pages. That's why I can give you the link where you'll find it, but it will be, I think, easier to just edit this one right now. I'm not sure why am I not able to edit this site. Some strange behavior is going on. 1 second. Just what can we do in the meanwhile? I can mail it to you if that will work.
Oh, so can I open my mail over here?
Yeah, you can go to your browser, open up your mail.
Okay, I'll do. Okay, then I can open it in my mail.
Yeah.
And then copy it from there.
I'll just take your email ID and then send it the command.
Should I send it on the chat?
No, I have it here. I'll just.
Okay.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Compose mail. Wait, I think I'm able to edit the site. I'll do that then. Just wait for 1 minute. Because I remember making the changes. Maybe.
The sign problems coming again. Like whenever I try to like write the @ sign, double quotes come there.
Maybe you can go to settings and change your keyboard, the one that is used. So like with here, if you can still see my screen, this one.
Oh,
one of
okay.
the settings.
I'll do that. Yeah, now it worked. Thank you.
Yeah. So, okay, so it's not put up over here. So I'll just slides and then insert. Publish. Yeah, so now the changes are made. If you open it, I think it should be different. Yeah. So now you go to the website, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Under ROS, you will find this. Just open it in a new tab and then it will show.
Okay.
The embedded one has some problem, but yeah. From here also, you won't be able to copy. So what you can do is go to the options and then open editor. That will open it in the normal Google Slides thing that you can copy the command.
Yeah. And do you know how to make this full screen on my Mac? It's only coming in a small tab form and it's very difficult to work with.
What?
When I make the Ubuntu software full screen, the all four sides become black and there's only a small window open in the middle.
Okay, so don't make it full screen. What you can do is, without making it full screen, just manually make it larger.
Yeah, if I do that, then also it doesn't work. It remains the same size.
No, then you have to go to one of the settings on the top and then do adjust size in view.
Like.
Share your screen, I'll tell you where it is.
Okay.
Or do you find it?
In over here somewhere.
View on the top. No, on the VirtualBox menu.
Oh, view. This.
Adjust window size. Adjust window size. It's below that.
Okay. Now should I?
Now enter full screen.
Nope.
You don't have the menu on the top to adjust it to.
No, see. It's not working.
Virtual screen 1. Go to that. Under view only, virtual screen 1. The last option. No, don't do. Okay, wait. So I think what can be. So you inside your virtual machine. I mean, inside the Ubuntu one, can you go to settings? Have you given control?
Yeah, I gave you control.
I don't know why I'm not able to still. No, it's still not working. Anyway, just click on display.
Display. Yeah.
So first, make the window smaller. From the left, right, if you can just drag it and make it smaller.
No, yeah. I can't make it smaller than this.
Oh, you can't? Okay, now that's fine. Just take the resolution, make it as large as possible. All the way to the top. Yeah. And now click apply. No, don't do full screen.
Okay.
Now you have to do view, go back to the view,
View.
and then adjust window size.
Nope. Now it's very big.
That did the thing for. Just close that window, the one that was open. I think the rest should be fine. The display window, right? Can you click and close it?
I don't know what's happening. I'm not able to click only.
You're not able to click anything.
Mm-hmm.
Just close the window then.
I am supposed to save this the machine state, right?
Power off the machine.
Power of the machine.
Yeah, so now open up your VirtualBox again. Click on settings, don't start.
Settings.
Display. Yeah, increase your video memory to half the total. System. The second tab. Memory is fine. Advanced, no, processor. The processor tab. Like in system only, just above the slider here. Increase this to 2 CPU. Okay. On the bottom. That's okay. Now display, right? NG, do you remember we did this in your system last time? It worked.
What's it?
So to make the window of the VirtualBox, make it like a larger window. Click on settings again, Arush.
Yeah.
What
Can you?
is the display? I think this is okay. Try to run it once right now again. You can just close those.
There's some code coming over. Oh. Should I try making it bigger?
No, now go to view and then put it the same thing again.
This
Adjust
adjust.
windows. Or wait, I think what you can do is make the window manually larger to cover the entire screen.
See.
Yeah. Make it larger completely.
Done.
Now go to view and select scaled mode.
This.
Yeah. Which, no?
It became small.
I'm not sure
Oh,
why.
wait 1 second. I think it worked.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, good. So now you'll be able to open a terminal and run the commands one by one. Yeah, so now you should be able to run these.
Yes.
NG, were you able to run the entire set of commands?
No, no.
Okay, so where are you at right now?
The cat, the third one, the cat came back.
Okay, so is there an error?
Yeah.
Okay, can you share your screen and show the error?
All right. Please.
Because if it is related to the ARM error, then you can run the fourth set of commands. Yes. So now just read what was the error.
What do I do?
Yeah, so if you can read the line on the top, right, the fourth line from the top in the terminal.
This
Could
one?
not find package file. No, from the top, the fourth line. Could not find a package configuration file provided by Dynamixel controllers with any of the names.
This one?
Yeah. So that means that the package is not there.
Yeah.
Do you have the website open? If you can just open that one. And the slide.
This one, right?
No, not this one. The online tutorials website. Yeah, the web link over there. No, in the above post. The web link, that one. No, go up, that one.
This.
Website, yes. Oh, why is it coming? You need access. Have I not given access to? Oh, okay. 1 second.
The file is saying that I need access.
Yes, just 1 second. Change. Anyone with the link in view done? Now you can try it once. Just reload the. Yeah, just open it in a new tab. The arrow on the top that's coming.
Yeah.
No. If you go back to the website
This
and
one?
yeah, that arrow. Yeah. Just reload the page. I gave the permission now. It should be fine.
What should I do now?
So what you can do is over here, just go on, and if you on the bottom, when the menu option comes right on the left, now when you move your mouse, there's an option that comes, the menu bar on the bottom. Yes, click on the settings. advanced. No, open an editor, the bottom one.
This one?
Last
Oh, wait.
option, open an editor. Yeah. So now you will, the fourth set of commands, right, over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, number 4. If you can see, just copy and run those commands.
Okay, okay. So how do I copy paste from the window to the Ubuntu?
Yeah, so I'll have to see how you do that. Maybe you can just open the website again in Ubuntu. That should not be a big problem, right? Or yeah, I think that should be
This one?
just type in online tutorials. No, online tutorials. Yes, this website. If you can copy this, no, if you can open this website in Ubuntu. I'm saying if you go to Ubuntu, the virtual box.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in here, you open a new tab.
Oh, I see. All right. So
But you can't copy paste. So just that's something. Just type it in the browser in Ubuntu. In new tab in the browser, the plus. Yeah, and then type in RoboCup at home education online tutorials.
okay.
You can't copy paste. So yeah. So now it should open and you can run the. Is it working now?
No, it says unable to locate the package. What's that?
No. Did you enter your password? Why is it still showing unable to open the back? Can you do sudo
You
apt
need
get
to install
update?
not the kinetic version.
Oh yeah, you have the melodic. You have 18.04, right?
Yeah. But it's the same.
Yeah, because I think this package don't have melodic package.
Oh.
So what I suggest is you remove the ARM package first. The source
How
code.
do I remove it?
Okay, in the Caching WS, you go further down, you go in CD, okay, space, src, sorry. Okay, you enter, ls, okay, enter. Okay, you can see you go into that RC Home Edu Learn ROS folder.
Yeah.
CD, no, CD
No.
first. Yes.
CD space RC and you can press tab. It will type
You can use
in the
tab for
entire thing.
autocomplete. Okay, ls. Okay, you can see there is a package called RC Home Edu _ARM. you copy or you delete that folder to outside your workspace. You can copy to, no, you can't do copy paste. You have to use command. Either that or you can do it using the Explorer. Not the, you can do it from the Explorer. The file Explorer. Not yes, this one.
Home, press on home.
Home. You go to home.
The window
Yeah.
on the home. Yeah.
Correct.
Caching Workspace.
Home.
No.
Go back home again.
Home.
Kin WS.
Cat.
SCR. Yes. Okay. The ARM folder. You cut. You move. You move to trash, then you will lose it.
Undo.
So, what should I do?
You move to some place, desktop or anything is okay.
Yeah, and then just move it to desktop or something, that should be fine.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. Then you try to compile again, should be okay now.
Oh no, you have to go to cd//Caching Workspace. No. No, just type cd, enter.
It's the same.
No, you have to do cd//Caching WS. No, tilde, you have to put the curly arrow before the slash.
Is the idea?
No, I'm just typing a command on the Teams chat. If you can just see it once. There's no space after the. Yeah, remove the space before the slash. That one. No. Yeah. Now do catkin_make. Yeah, it works now.
Okay. Okay.
I'm also getting an error.
Can you share your screen once?
I think it's the same one. I'm not sure. It says invoking CMake failed.
Yeah, so I think it's the same error. You can do the same. You have the slides in front of you, right? Over there only.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that. I think for you it should be able to work.
So what am I supposed to do?
Copy 4A, the command.
4A, this.
Yep.
Okay.
Or just right click and copy. And right click and paste.
Paste.
Enter. Yes. Yeah,
now
do Catkin make again. Just do up arrow and the command will come. No, in your terminal.
Oh.
Up arrow and no, once more. Yeah, enter.
Yeah.
Yeah, done.
Am I supposed to run the B part also?
No, the B part it auto did it. If you like scroll up in your terminal and see, right, it already did the B part in this command only.
Okay, so now am I supposed to run this?
No. You go back.
Yeah, over here.
Yeah, the second set you have to do.
The second set I've already done this.
Number 2, have you done already?
Yeah, I've done 1, 2, and third also now.
Third also done.
Yeah.
So can you just do cd src and then show that one in your terminal?
I do CD
Space
space
src,
SRC.
enter, ls,
What? NS?
ls,
LS.
enter. Yeah, so you can see you have the folder. That's good. So I think then you can move on to the next step here.
This one?
Yeah.
I think I got an error in this only last time.
No, I think it's done for you.
It's done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can type in sudo space. Oh no, not sudo. ROS run.
ROS
ROS
run.
run or ROS launch. ROS launch will be better. ROS launch. LAU and yes.
Enter. Space.
No, space. TurtleBot. Use tab to autocomplete. This is a long command.
TurtleBot
Underscore. Bring up.
Bring.
This side B. Tab.
B. Bring
tab.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Done.
then minimal. MI and tab.
M tab.
Enter. Yeah, just Control C. It is working properly.
Control C. Okay.
Exit now. Type in exit. Enter.
Thank you.
Yeah, so you're done with this part. Yeah. That means your ROS installation is complete properly. Just one thing before ending the class.
Yeah.
That would be yes. So I'll just share my screen from here once. NG, you also, right? If you can just follow the command and do this one and then this other slide also.
I think the ROS slide is done, but the TurtleBot package installation is also has some error. Yeah, this one.
Can you show your error message once, maybe?
Okay.
Yeah.
I just completed under the part 3 command. So it's working fine, but the next one it has some error. It's the same.
Okay, it's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, that means then it's not going to work. Yeah, then you will need to install 16.04.
16.
So I would say keep this virtual box.
Yeah.
Yeah, so don't delete this virtual box, right? This one, 18.24. Okay, you keep this But
Yeah.
then just like how you did this, you have to install 16.04 and then do all the steps also.
Just create a new virtual machine, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right, all right. All right, thank you.
Yeah. So you'll be able to do that, right? Because you've done it once already. It
Yeah,
should
yeah.
not take too much of. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And the slides are all shared now, right? So you can just go through them quickly and run the commands from there. So I was just sharing my screen. For next time, you need to, before doing the installation of MATLAB, you have to like apply for the license, right? Because we are getting the complimentary license from MATLAB, MathWorks for all of the at-home education participants. So you have to apply it. Either you apply it, or if like in the case of NG or even Arush, if you can ask if I think Arush, your teacher might already have a license. You can just ask once. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So because your
So
team from your school participated in a previous event, right? So they should
yeah,
have
so
the license.
for
Just
MATLAB, right?
for MATLAB, just ask for the credentials, the username and the password, and then you'll be able to follow along for the next session. For NG, you have to ask your, I think you said you've done MATLAB before, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so ask if maybe there is a at-home education, that license before that is given. Otherwise, you can just apply. I'll share the link with you. So it's actually, I put it in this file for now. I'll post the same on the Teams chat also, okay? After the class. So this was for R2020. Now we can install R2020B because that one would have been released already by now. So this one was for the last batch. Yeah. So this link over here, this one, this is what you need to open.
By the way, we have the license. We have the mailer license.
You have the multiple that one license, right? Not the single use one. Multiple.
Multiple what?
So like you can install it on multiple machines using same license.
I'm not sure about that, but I can install on Windows.
Okay, yes. So you can, if your laptop or your PC has a webcam also,
Yes.
you can install on Windows also. But I would say it would be better if you install it in Ubuntu.
I see.
Yeah. So that's why I say better to just apply for this, because using this license, you can install in multiple machines using the same license. So you can install in Ubuntu on your Windows PC and run it at the same time.
All right.
Yeah. So over here, you just need to, yes, I think we're in the correct one. Let me just check. Software registration, yeah, RoboCup. That is the one that we need. So you enter your email, and then first you will need to create your account, MathWorks account, and then just fill in the rest of the details in the form. Just make sure you're saying that you're registering, you're participating in RoboCup at home education and online tutorials, and you need a license for that.
Okay.
Yeah. And I think Arush will be able to get the license, so you don't need to fill in the form.
Yeah.
Have you filled this one before?
You've been installations on Ubuntu?
No, I'm asking for he tag.
C#.
Yes.
No, he tagged the other person in meeting.
I see.
Hello.
Yeah. Have you done MATLAB installation before?
Yes.
This one?
Already. Because my using Google is providing the license to get it for Google.
Okay, no problem. So, but
Yeah.
it's installed using that license, right?
Second.
So on your Ubuntu PC where you have ROS installed, you also have MATLAB installed?
Ubuntu. After I install Ubuntu, then I install the MATLAB. Using license you can.
No, I didn't quite get that. In the PC where you have Ubuntu and ROS installed, right? You have a PC with that?
Yeah.
Does it have MATLAB also?
Second MATLAB.
Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. So then you use, if you have the account already, then you can do the installation. I will upload the slides, or actually there's no slides for this one because it is only this file, right? I will upload this on the Teams chat right now, immediately, or even I can do it right now also. And I'll just send it right now, and then I'll like format it a little bit better. And then you can do the installation from here, everyone. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just 1 second. And subject. Yeah, so this is sent right now. I will do a little bit formatting to make it look neater, but you can follow the steps over there. In fact, for this one, actually there is this, I'm not sure if I gave the video link over here, but okay, so I don't think it is written over here, but there is one video on the website. Yeah, it's not written over here, but basically there is an installation video which shows what all has to be done by MathWorks only. So MATLAB install video. Yeah, so this one. But we need this one. I think is what we need. May 21. Yeah, so you can see this one. There's also a link for one on the MATLAB website, but I think this should be the same. So yeah, this will show all the steps that you have to do. The only thing is when you are installing it, then you don't need to install all of the packages. So over here, this only shows 3, 4, right? But because of the license that we have, it should show all of the packages, like the robotics toolbox, computer vision toolbox, all of those extra also. So you just need to tick some of them. So I'll send that also. If you do that, then you actually don't need to run all of these commands. You just need the last one. Actually, these all you might not need. It is better to do these, but like sometimes, like recently they changed the like, how do I say, the license that is there for JDK. So the commands don't all work now. Yeah, so I'll just change the instructions and send it. So in an hour, if you check back again, then that should be the new instructions. Is that going to be okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I think that's the end of the session for today. Arush, you started the recording, right? Can you just end it?
I'm not sure how you're supposed to do that.
I don't know who started the recording. You can just end
Yeah,
it.
I started the recording, but like how do I send it? I'm not sure.
If you so if you click on three dots here, then you'll be able to end recording.
Okay, I'll do that. Stop recording.